will be introducing. Yeah. So let me tell you something about the speakers, today's speaker. Yeah. His name is Mr. Agnello Rajesh Athaide. Okay. Agnello Rajesh Athaide is a first generation entrepreneur who began business at a very young age. He started his business at a very, very young age. He is the chairman and managing director of St. Angelo's Computers Limited. All of you know about St. Angelo's Computers Limited, one of the largest and the oldest computer education company in Mumbai, having trained more than 2.5 lakh students since 1993. He started his IT business from his house by doing data processing jobs and subsequently switching over to imparting computer education. The first center was started at his residence, at his own home place. The first batch of students was sourced by counseling students by doing home visits and enrolling them for various computer courses, literally going into home, enrolling people, telling them about the courses and getting them into the program. Agnello Rajesh always says that education is the only weapon every human should possess. Coming from a modest economical background, he was always aware of the financial challenges that people faced in their day-to-day life. He is always very proud in saying that St. Angelo's as a company is responsible to bring quality computer education within the reach of common man, aam aadmi ke liye, and has armed thousands of students with knowledge which has helped them to be gainfully employed. Agnello Rajesh is a social entrepreneur who believes in learn, earn and return. St. Angelo's as an organization supports hundreds of social, cultural and sporting events happening across Maharashtra and elsewhere. Agnello Rajesh is a speaker on leadership, motivation and social entrepreneurship and has spoken at various platforms, national as well as international. He has also diversified in the business of construction with a conscious thought of creating landmarks for people to enjoy and remember forever. St. Angelo's Computer Education currently trains more than 20,000 students at a given point of time and has a team of 600 people on the job. I would also like to share with you some of the key achievements, or you can say the rewards and recognitions. It's a big list, by the way. I will still like to go through because I think it's a privilege that we all understand what he has done and what awards he has got because of that. So the various awards and recognitions are: first, Pandit Deen Dayal Puraskar by Pandit Deen Dayal Shikshan Sanstha, Udyog Ratan Award by Institute of Economic Studies, New Delhi, Award of Excellence by Institute of Economic Studies, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Award by Maharashtra Kala Niketan for the efforts put in for spreading computer literacy in India, Salute Mumbai 2001 Award to honor the Mumbaikars from different walks of time who made Mumbai proud, Maharashtra Gaurav Award 2003 for upcoming businessman in Maharashtra, Award for Bombay Catholic Sabha, Award from Lions Club, Award from Rotary Club. There are other recognitions as well. He was facilitated and recognized by the following dignitaries for contribution in the field of education and medical aid: Sri Vilas Rao Deshmukh, Sri Narayan Rane, Sri Uddhav Thackeray, Sri Raj Thackeray, Sri Anand Dige, Pramod Navalkar, Sri Arun Gujarati, Sri Suresh Prabhu, Sri Murari Bapu, Sri Sanjay Nirupam, Sri Subhas Desai, Sri Vivek Pandit, Sri Roni Mendonca, Sri Ram Barot, Sri Dilip Patel, Sri Vinod Taude. See, these are the people who have been he associated with. Facilitated and recognized by the following organizations and institutes for contribution in the field of education and medical aid: Best Citizen Award from Bombay Catholic Sabha, Salute Mumbai Award from Sahara Mumbai, Pandit Deen Dayal Puraskar, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Award, Outstanding Youth from BJP Honorary Lionism, Rotary Club Award, winner of the International Business Award, Successful East India Business Award from the East India Community of the United Arab Emirates. He has been interviewed by the following print media: Times of India, Indian Express, Maharashtra Times, Lok Satta, Navabharat, Lokmat, The Secular Citizen, Midday, Afternoon, Gujarat Samachar. And on top of that, he has been also interviewed by the following television channels: Star TV, Zee TV, ETV Samvad, Zee 24 Tas, Star Maza, Sahara Mumbai, Raju Bajaj Show, Doordarshan Sahyadri, C News, and in Mumbai News. So now this is what the introduction, the recognition and the rewards which he has got. Now, when we were planning for this program a couple of days back, I got an opportunity to actually meet Mr. Agnello Rajesh. When I went to the office, we had a group of two, 4 people who went. In fact, me, myself, Ullas, Praneeth and Vineet, we went there. When I went to the office, I was coming from my own office. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इतना ये नहीं था मेरे मन में जैसे नॉर्मली हम सबके मन में ख्याल चलते हैं वैसे there were hundreds of thoughts which were going in my mind. I would like to share prominent 3 thoughts which were there. One was regarding the financial challenges I was facing at that point in time. थोड़े challenges थे जो मेरे मन में चल रहे थे. Second was relating to time I spend, the way I spend my time, the way I use and manage my time. वो second conversation था. And the third point which was going in my mind at that time was uncertainty about the future. कि मुझे करना तो बहुत कुछ है, मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगा, मुझे ये भी पता है कि मैं अगर स्टार्ट करूं तो कर दूंगा, लेकिन होगा क्या, नहीं होगा, अगर शुरू भी करूंगा तो पूरा कर पाऊंगा क्या, जो बड़े लोग करते हैं वो ठीक है लेकिन मेरे को जमेगा क्या. सो दीज वर द कंसर्न्स एज मोस्ट ऑफ अस ऑलरेडी हैव वर देयर इन माय माइंड. आई वेंट इनसाइड. वी वर देयर फॉर अबाउट 15 to 20 minutes. 15-20 मिनट हम लोग बैठे रहेंगे. इट वॉज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर 15-20 minutes. आई वेंट इनसाइड लाइक दिस, थोड़ा झुक के, थोड़ा ऐसा घबरा के. Believe me, after 20 minutes when I came out, I was like on top of the world. I was absolutely on top of the world. His conversations, the way he interacted was so powerful, so powerful. Literally he was delivering gold. मैं तो मतलब ऐसे देख रहा था कि कोई थैली है क्या जहाँ पे भर के लूँ. कसम से I'm telling you, it was absolutely phenomenal. I was absolutely on top of the world when I came out of his cabin, and it gave me so much of energy. I thought, see, first point was his greatness was in his simplicity, the way he operated. It looked as if he can do, then you can do. That was his approach. मैं कर सकता हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. I have come from this situation and I have done it. So nothing stops you. That was the level of conversation which he was having, and that actually mesmerized me. I was thrilled. I was completely zapped by that. And before that is the reason I am sharing this my personal experience, because मुझे लगा कि मैंने कान खुले रखे थे, मैंने वो सुना बटोरा, it helped me. I request you the same today. I want each one of you to keep your ears open. Please listen from the place that you are actually getting gold here. सोना मिल रहा है तो बटोर लो. See, my dad says one thing, very important thing. अगर आपको तानसेन बनना है ना, तानसेन, तो पहले कानसेन बनो. आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? तो कानसेन बनना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो कीप योर ईयर्स ओपन, लिसन टू हिज कॉन्वर्सेशन. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, you can write down on a page, you can supply the questions here, and we'll definitely address those. So with this note, I would like to welcome the motivator, the leader, and the founder and chairman of St. Angelo's, Mr. Rajesh Athaide. Can we please have a round of claps for him? Good evening, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think we can first do the ceremony of watering the tree. See, I told you his principle: learn, earn, and return. So return is something which we will be starting with. Okay. Yeah, it's actually a metaphor for contribution. So let us please clap for planting the tree, watering for the plant. Okay. Yeah, and Vineet would like to welcome Mr. Agnello Rajesh. Thank you. Thanks for all the Sparkans.